Yeah. First of all, it's a very proud moment for me because Priyanka has she did internship with us at MHI. So it's a very proud moment for me to see her, grow and doing fantastic and amazing work. But today is her story, so let me introduce her to you all. So Priyanka Gupta has been practicing as a consultant and counseling psychologist for the past year at a reputed heart hospital in Nagpur. Alongside her clinical work, she nurtures a deep passion for entrepreneurship and aims to venture into the handicrafts business, being captivated by the artistry and cultural richness embedded in handicrafted work. She's an enthusiastic learner and she values every interaction as an opportunity to gain new insights, believing that every individual has something valuable to teach. Her interests include listening to music, swimming, horse riding, and enjoying peaceful morning walks. Academically, she has contributed to the field through a published chapter in Healthcare Challenges in India and a research article. Her communication skills extend beyond counseling. She has anchored and she has emceed in several college events showcasing her confidence and love for hosting. Thank you so much for agreeing to be part of our Human Books, Priyanka. Over to you.
Thank you so much, Ranjita ma'am, for introducing me. And firstly, I would like to start with being grateful to each and every member जो आप सभी प्रेजेंट है इस इवनिंग में और अपना इतना क्वालिटी टाइम और इम्पोर्टेंट टाइम दे रहे हैं ये सुनने के लिए कि हर किसी की स्टोरी में कुछ ना कुछ बात ऐसी होती है जो हमें मोटिवेट करती हो या इंस्पायर करती हो और ना ही कुछ करे लेकिन हमें सुन के एक अच्छा फील कराती हो भले खुद के लाइफ के लिए या दूसरे के लाइफ के लिए सो आज का जो मेरा सेशन है ये हिंदी और इंग्लिश दोनों में रहेगा मैं दोनों लैंग्वेजेस यूज करूँगी और मैं सबसे पहले स्टार्ट करना चाहूँगी जो टॉपिक मैंने चूज किया है एवरी स्ट्रेंथ इज यूनिक. So why I chose this topic, first I would like to introduce that thing that currently where I am seeing people doing their careers, living in a very I think bubbly life, getting influenced very easily, being सोशल मीडिया पे बहुत गलत तरीके से इन्फ्लुएंस हो रहे हैं. तो कहने का मतलब आज के दौरान जो चीज़ें हम कंज्यूम कर रहे हैं लोग उसमें इतना कंपेयर कर रहे हैं खुद को इतना कॉपी पेस्ट कर रहे हैं जो सामने वाला कर रहा है वो हमें करना है. दे आर नॉट नोइंग कि शायद वो उनकी स्ट्रेंथ है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई जस्ट गिव अ वेरी स्मॉल एग्जाम्पल. आज सोशल मीडिया पे वी आर सीइंग इतने सारे रील्स अबाउट इन्वेस्टमेंट एंड सो मेनी थिंग्स. ऑफ कोर्स इन्वेस्टमेंट इज अ वेरी गुड थिंग वी ऑल शुड डू बट everyone doesn't have that particular strength for doing that thing. बट जस्ट बिकॉज हम देख रहे हैं कि कोई इन्वेस्टमेंट करके बहुत सक्सेसफुल बन रहा है हम भी वही अपना करियर बना ले रहे हैं और वही वो सब चीज़ें कर रहे हैं. तो कहने का मतलब लोग अपनी अंदर की ओरिजिनलिटी को भूल रहे हैं अपने अंदर की स्ट्रेंथ को. दे आर जस्ट गेटिंग इट वेरी ब्लर्ड एंड दे आर जस्ट कंटिन्यूसली सीइंग कि लोग क्या कर रहे हैं और हमें भी वही करना है. So that's why I chose this topic, that it's very important to choose. It's very important to identify, to understand what is your own strength, and then to make a wise choice with going that particular strength. Because forgetting your originality and your rawness will not help you to go much. बहुत आगे तक के आपको जाने में हेल्प नहीं कर पाएगी पर टेम्पररी आपको अच्छा लगेगा क्योंकि आप भी देखोगे कि थोड़ा बहुत आपको अच्छा मतलब लोग कह रहे हैं क्योंकि आप वो कर रहे हो जो सब कर रहे हैं. सो बहुत शायद ज़्यादा बोल दिया मैंने मेरा टॉपिक क्यों चूज़ किया बट मेरे टॉपिक चूज़ करने का ये रीज़न था. और आप सब लोग बीच में भी बात कर सकते हैं. मैं नहीं चाहती हूँ कि मैं ही कंटिन्यूसली बोलते रहो. वी कैन मेक दिस लिटिल बिट टाइम ऑफ माइंड कुड बी लिटिल बिट इंटरैक्टिव और बीच में हाँ ना एनीथिंग वर्क्स बट जस्ट सेइंग समथिंग. ओके so yeah so okay, one more thing, a disclaimer. So whatever going to come is something which is very natural and very raw. So it's not something that I've scripted or thought of that I will be saying. Of course a random outline is there but not everything is कि अच्छा ये बोलूँगी ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है because it's just a story and story has to be raw. It has to be natural, so that you get that vibe of the story. So I would like to start with the as I mentioned about the title. Now the story comes with why this thing came out to be a thing. Strength. So there was a phase of my life where there was a time where even me, who now is sharing about this strength, but that particular time in my life, like I think few years back, even I was like not that much, mature enough to understand what strength is. So I also got very blurred by seeing people getting successful, picking up good careers, picking up certain subjects, courses. And I even thought that, if this is making her so successful, let me also take that particular course and do it from that particular place where she did. And even I will be, this successful in this, I mean, what she is getting, that I will also get. So this is the story of few years back, and I actually followed her path, doing whatever she was doing, from getting into that particular course and doing whatever she was doing. But then when entering into course, that particular small course, I realized that what is being the practice of it, and what is the thing that I have to do there, is something which is not making me happy, something that is not I'm enjoying, or something which is distressing me, something which is so not in line with my own values, not in line with my things that I would like to do. So basically, I realized that this is not at all my cup of tea, and I was just trying to take in it just because I wanted to be as successful as she was in that career. So that was my biggest mistake of just absorbing what she was doing and take it in, and I'll also do that thing, because I didn't feel कि मुझे भी अपने बारे में सोचना चाहिए कि मुझे क्या पसंद है, क्या करना. मैंने कुछ नहीं सोचा, सीधा मुझे वो करना है, बस वही करना है जो वो कर रहा है. और ये सब करने के बाद जब मुझे रियलाइज हुआ कि दैट इज नॉट माई कप ऑफ टी, सो आई वाज so it was a part of my college to intern any somehow I had to do an internship to complete the course. So I came to Mental Health Academy of India with one of my very close friend, Neha Das. She's also present here, and she was the one who joined, and I was still skeptical. Yeah, should I do the internship or not, or should I do it from a very HR oriented place? But then I came to meet Ranjita ma'am, and for the first meeting, I cleared everything. Ma'am, see, this is not the subject, and this is not my area that I'm going to go forward with. I'm telling you very clearly, okay? You just you just make me your intern. Let's do my coursework, and bye bye. I don't want to do this. So she said, okay, everything will go according to you, but first, do you want to come here or not? So I said, no, ma'am, it's okay. I'll come. I'll see how it goes. So I joined, and I trusted Ranjita ma'am with the way she would like my schedule to go. I just mentioned I want this thing, and I don't want this thing. She said, okay, we'll go according to what you are comfortable with. So somewhere when I was interning under her, she kind of very much helped me to have an alternate perception, I would say. She showed me a picture that I was seeing it from a very different lens, and when she told me, I saw it from a very different lens. So basically, coming to my topic, why I said every strength is unique, the picture that I was seeing from original my lens was that to be successful or to become something in this career, I have to be tick. I have to be, there have to be check boxes where I must be check on every box. And definitely, to become successful in a particular area or to master a particular area, there are basic, there are basic criteria which you must have, like degree, certificates, courses. That is something which is basic. But other than basic, there are qualities, there are skills, and there are certain, unsaid, not unsaid, but something which is very, I would say, very raw to you. you're not something learning it, but something you already have it, but you're unaware of it. So the checkboxes I was ticking for thinking to become a psychologist or thinking to become a काउंसलर, आई ऑलवेज थॉट कि बहुत सारी चीजें मुझ में होनी चाहिए और जो मुझ में नहीं है ये बनने के लिए. तो मैंने रंजिता मैम को यही कहा कि मैम ये मुझसे होने नहीं वाला है काउंसलिंग और साइकोलॉजी वगैरह, बस मुझे इंटर्नशिप करके जाना है यहाँ से. लेकिन जब उनके साथ इंटर्न करते हुए जो मेरे पास एक दूसरा नजरिया आया उस पिक्चर को देखने का, वो ये आया कि प्रियंका जो आप में स्ट्रेंथ है, वो स्ट्रेंथ को अगर आप बहुत अच्छे से ऑब्जर्व करेंगे, उस पर फोकस करेंगे, तो शायद आपको बाकी चीजों की जरूरत भी नहीं है उस करियर में अच्छे बनने के लिए. And that was the point where she threw six, in my life. So yeah, I mean, that was the time where I felt that something what is in me is outlining my, I won't say outlining, but actually, if I embrace that, if I focus on that, if I polish that, and if I make those fine, I think that would be the strengths that I will be known. So now, psychology हो, counseling हो, जो भी career हो, उसमें मेरे क्या स्ट्रेंथ है वो मुझे रियलाइज हुआ, और वो स्ट्रेंथ पे उसको और पॉलिशिंग लगी और उसको फाइननेस लगा. बट जैसे कि मैम ने बताया कि आई एम वर्किंग एट अ हार्ट हॉस्पिटल एंड आई यूज ऑल माई स्ट्रेंथ ओवर देयर, एंड व्हेन आई रियलाइज कि मेरे क्या क्या स्ट्रेंथ है, वो रियलाइजेशन के बाद उसको मैंने और इम्प्रूव किया, उस पर और वर्क किया. तो आज I mean, this is something which I shouldn't say with, from my side only, but then this is the meeting and this is a story. So I would like to share it here also. So the place where I'm working, people only say one line for me that you go to that ma'am for counseling. Trust me, you'll be very happy when you come out of the room. And that is something I don't feel that I needed some check boxes to, to fill that to become a good counselor, but to focusing on my strengths ki, okay, I'm good at counseling, okay, I'm good at making the other person feel being heard, empathizing with the other person, being, first of all, making them feel that I am listening to you. You speak anything and everything that is coming to your mind. I'm not here to judge you. Just, so that basic skills that is actually required to be a good counselor. I'm just having that and I'm polishing that, and which is making me stand there as like, she is one of the best counselors. So this is a big achievement for me, while understanding and realizing that what my skills were, what my strengths were, and just polishing a little bit. So this is why when I say that every strength is unique, and if you focus and enhance and embrace your own strength, I think you could be the best version of yourself. So this is a very story which came out to be raw, and yeah, this is the actual story. I mean, today also it just happened that way. And the person when walks in my room, they also think, because it's a heart hospital, it's a hospital, I don't see typical psychological cases there. I see cases where people are actually struggling with their daily life. They are not able to make decisions. They are not able to overcome overthinking. They are not able to, to make healthy choices for their daily lives. So there are certain things which we all face in our daily lives. So when they come into my room, even they think, how I am going to help them, because it is so different for them also to see a psychologist out of nowhere over there. But when the session happens and when they understand, so it makes a good change in their life. So yeah, I would like to conclude by saying that never let your spark, never let your charm fade just because you are seeing other people's growing and succeeding. You don't know what their strengths are. But if you focus on your own strength, I'm sure, I'm definitely 110% sure that it is going to make you spark and charm like really well. So that is all from my side. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Priyanka, for sharing your story with us.